energy, the sun will have everybody throw gourd. But when the gourd have their energy, they place it for the sun. And then when the sun gives the clouds some water, it rains. And then the fish will have happier than ever life. And our trees get broken because of the worms are eating. That's because they want more energy to live in the trees. And then when the trees are over, they tell people how they will glow. So that's why I draw arrows to remember your singing. So when it's glowed of the other thing, it will have habitats. But when the sun has a cloud blocking, it gets dark in the room. It can be a kind of scary when the sun's out. But if you can avoid, these tell us how plants grow. And then when the sunlight shines up, they give the fish more energy to live in. So it gives grass, trees, and clouds more energy, and rainbows can come out. And then when the clouds start raining, fish will have more water to life in. And then the rain stopped and the sun cut out, it will be pretty bright again.
Very good. I love your instruction.